Hello folks, I'm William G. Alston. I'm a retired professor of exercise science, and I've written a book entitled 4 Keys to the Natural Anabolic State, Volume 1. This book there will be a sequel to this book. You may have seen some of my videos or heard about the book. A basketball coach just wrote and said, Dr. Alston, I just read an article saying that stress can kill us, and you're saying that stress is good, so what's the truth? Folks, the human stress response system is a God-given source of power and energy that most people misunderstand, fear, and waste. Stress can take you to the pinnacle of success or lead you to misery, failure, and health and ill health, depending on your thoughts. Stress reacts to everything we need, everything we do, and everything we think. Based on our thoughts and mindsets, the stress response can chemically equip us to win and perform at our very best, and it can chemically equip us to recover from a physical beating. It all depends on your mindset. And when you go the wrong way, folks, it is seriously bad, and performance is miserable when you are in a catabolic state. The book explains all this, catabolic, anabolic states, and it'll all make sense to you, I promise. My book explains the thoughts and mindsets that lead to maximum performance and the thoughts and mindsets that lead to failure. It tells you what to say when your team is leading, what to say when your team is trailing. It explains why certain words of encouragement can harm performance. This book explains that current stress response is a convoluted mess, and it challenges the entire scientific world to respond. Professors and scientists, read my book, test my theories and concepts, and refute them if you can. I guarantee you that you cannot. Graduate students, this would be a great dissertation topic. And professors and scientists, I'm not making sport of anybody. You'll understand when you read this book. I'm just pointing out something that really needs to be fixed, and I think you will agree. And I think, especially after you read this book, I think you'll wholeheartedly support what I'm trying to do. Remember, folks, you're looking for 4 Keys to the Natural Anabolic State, Volume 1. Volume 2 will be published in about 12 months, and it'll be a compilation of stories and reader questions and comments from those who read Volume 1. It'll be fun to put all that together, I can tell you. Prediction 1, Coach. If your team reads this book in preseason, you will dominate your conference. Prediction 2, you will wish you had read this book sooner. No matter when you get it, no matter how fast you read it, you're going to wish you read it sooner. Everybody who's read it has told me that. So I say it with great confidence. Thank you. Bye.